Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX crashing issues on ShareX in 2026. So if the app is closing suddenly, freezing, or crashing on startup, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, restart your computer. Sometimes background processes or memory issues can cause ShareX to crash unexpectedly. Next, open Task Manager and check if ShareX is already running. If it is stuck, end the task and relaunch it. Now run ShareX as administrator. Missing permissions can sometimes cause instability or sudden crashes. Next, update ShareX to the latest version. Older versions may not be compatible with new Windows updates. Now check your system for low memory or high CPU usage. Close heavy apps running in the background to free up resources. Next, reinstall FFmpeg inside ShareX settings. Corrupted encoding components can cause crashes during capture or recording. Now disable antivirus or add ShareX to the exclusion list because security software can sometimes block important processes. Next, reset ShareX settings to default if the configuration is corrupted or misconfigured. Now update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers can cause screen capture crashes. Finally, reinstall ShareX completely if nothing else works, then restart your system and test again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX crashing issue. Now the app should run smoothly without unexpected shutdowns. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.